Okay, there's this one really fun map that I just found out about. It's actually a pretty popular map. This is actually my first time playing it, as you can see. It's called Astronomia. And I already know that song. It's turned into a meme, coffin dance meme. But, you know, it's also a good Flood Escape 2 map. I've actually beaten it. I just beat it right now. So that's why I decided to record. And there's this one spot in the end that always confuses me. So you might see me die there quite a bit. Well, I'm not gonna do like tons of attempts because I can't make a super long video, otherwise it won't upload, which would suck. The way I know that I'm on track to win is when it gets to the drop, I have to be right on that jump, right there. So I'm on perfect right now. Well, yeah. And at the end, it teleports you to the finish area. I don't know why. Okay. First try, let's go. See, it's a teleport, and then it teleports you over here. I don't even know why it does that. Oh, he got it right before this, too. I didn't. Ooh. Let's see if I can get twice in a row. I want to get twice in a row. What if he gets 3 times in a row? Alright. Alright. I have mastered this part mostly. Not totally, as you can see right there. I kind of messed up. Oh, I'm so lucky. Imagine if he didn't press that in time. I might be on track to win. Nope, I'm not going to be. I'm behind. So I need to make up for it. I'm gonna get 2 times in a row. I have to cut that really inside. Oh my gosh, no! Did he die, or is he still alive? Oh, he's barely still alive. Oh, he's dead. That's a big oof. I'm gonna do one more round for any fans out there. Yeah. He almost got 3 times in a row. I think this actually takes place in outer space too, because of Astro. So I'm the taxi driver in Overdrive. Battle is the president of the floods. And then I have another friend, Zeinborg. He's really good at Annihilated Academy, so we call him the principal. At least some of us do. Oh, come on. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna do just a couple more runs. Hopefully I can beat it again. Did he win? Again? Let's go. He did win. Yeah. He literally won again. Yeah, Battle is probably the best out of all of us. I wonder if this is possible to do solo. At the start, we thought it was like a 3-person map, and then we realized it could be a duo map. But what if you can do it solo? Oh, come on. Well, at least I don't have to get that other button. Oh, come on. I hate, like, messing up at the top of the wall jump. I do that a lot. And I hate it a lot. Oh, God. Loyal Bee, you can do this. Oh, yes, Loyal Bee. Go. Okay, you're at the final area. No! So close. No, so close. I got her dying at the end on camera. That's nice. I kind of like if you fall once, it might not ruin your whole entire run, but if you fall twice, it will. Like, I fell once, that might not matter, but if I fall again, it's probably gonna kill me. Okay, this is good. Ooh, I'm kind of ahead, actually. Even though I fell once. Loyal Bee, please don't die. Okay, let's go. Let's end it with that. Please like and subscribe, or else consequences.